All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And we have something to discuss. No, I did mention something on it my a bit earlier. This here is I'm going to highlight something that I do believe that we have to give recognition to. We must give recognition to these two aspects that I will be highlighting. Now, I want you to stick around to the end of the video because I'll be saying something very, very important about the Reggae Girlz. Now, I want you guys to look into it. I want you guys to think about it and tell me what you think. All right. In the meantime, before I get into that, guys, hit that like button. If you're here for the first time, if you don't like the content, no problem. If you feel the need to subscribe, no problem as well. I have no qualms with that. All right, I won't waste any more time. We're going to go straight into what we're here about. No, yeah, not the Reggae Boyz. Not the Reggae Boyz at all. Let's have a look at Khadija Shah. This here is Khadija Shah form since the beginning of the Concacaf Women's Championship. This is Khadija Shah. Khadija Shah from the beginning of the Concacaf Women's Championship. Now, why do I need to highlight this? The reason I'm highlighting this, I'm letting you guys know that she has been one of the most lethal players in the competition. One of the most lethal players in the competition. Possibly could be the most lethal striker in the competition. One game so far I've seen Khadija Shah and she looked really way off, and that was against the USA. I would understand that, yeah, it's the USA. Now, I want you to have a look at the stats. In 7 games, Khadija Shah amassed 12 goals. 12 goals. Albeit 3 of those goals are in the knockout stage, the qualification round, the World Cup qualification round. 3 of those goals, which she was situated in one of the toughest groups. She was situated, people, in one of the toughest groups. Group of death, they say. And she still walked out of the group of death with 3 goals. That is good. That is really, really good, people. Now, she also registered 6 assists. So that there, people, we're looking at a combination of 18 goals in 7 goals contribution in 7 games. 18 goal contribution, people, in 7 games. People, that is not easy. This is international stage we're talking about. The international level, yeah? 18 goal contribution in 7 games. I can't, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't even count the amount. That is not easy. That is top tier striking ability. Let's get back to what I was saying. Yeah, Khadija Shah, keep up that form. And I'm sure you are being watched. I'm sure eyes are on you. And as the Reggae Girlz grow into the competition, keeps getting stronger. The team keeps getting stronger and better. Now, we're going to move now to something different, people. So, let me read what I said at this. Reggae Girl Khadija Shah, Concacaf champion, a women's championship campaign so far. She has been in a phenomenal form. These stats show how valuable her contributions are to our team success. And the question is, how impressive is that? How impressive is that? Let me know what you think about it, people. Let's get to the next one. The Reggae Girlz are having a pretty good campaign so far. Just 7 games have passed during the Concacaf Women's Championship. And these are the stats that reflect how good the girls are doing. What are your thoughts? Let me bring it up. People, let me know what are your thoughts. we have played 7 games. We have won 6 of those 7 games, losing 1, no draws. We have scored a total of 29 goals. People, 22 2 9 2 yeah 9 29 people, 29 goals. Yeah, conceding only 7, sorry. Conceding only 7 goals, people, with 4 clean sheets registered. In the knockout stages, in the qualification round, the World Cup qualification round, we have 2 clean sheets in 3 games. Yeah, we score 5 goals, conceding 5. The 5 was against the USA. Tough luck. Tough luck. A really rough one. A rough day in the office. Really, really rough day in the office, people. We should be honest about that. That's a tough day in the office. But nonetheless, people, that most definitely. And what I want to say to you guys this now, I alluded to it a bit earlier. As the competition continues, the Reggae Girlz are getting stronger. They're getting better. They're getting sharper. They're getting fitter. They're getting more tactically astute. So we should most definitely keep an eye out. We have a big test tomorrow, and that is to face off against one of the champions, one of the top teams in the region, one of the top teams in the world. That is Canada. How do we face up against the Canadian team? How? Many may say, hey, we might not win. Many may say, hey, we have a chance. Nonetheless, this will be a true test of where we want to be and how we want to go. We got the first test, which was against USA. That was the first test. USA was the first test. I won't say we failed horribly, but we failed. We got battered. But was it a win on the essence of lessons learned? Was that 5-0 battering a win in regards to the lesson that the Reggae Girlz would have learned of the level that they should be and where they are? I do think that, yes, we lost the game on the pitch, but psychologically, we definitely won something. That could be the reason why performance has improved significantly against the 80 team. That is why. Anyways, people, World Cup, we say. Hopefully, guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell me what you think about the stats. Go into the comment section. Tell me what you think about these stats, the Khadija Shah stats, and also the Reggae Girlz in totality stats, people. And if you think about it, Reggae Girlz scored 29 goals and Khadija Shah has 18 contributions in that. That is a lot. Big up, people. Tune in next time. Military Guna TV, MG Sports TV, people. We are out. Boom.